Hey there, home sellers. So you're looking to sell your home faster and for more money, right? Today, I'm spilling the beans on DIY home staging. First off, what does home staging actually mean? Well, it's not just decorating your house, it's about making your home look appealing to potential buyers. Think of it as setting the stage for someone else to imagine living there. But does staging have to cost a fortune? Nope, you can totally stage your home on a budget, and I'm here to show you how. Step 1, declutter. Clear out personal items and excess furniture. This creates a clean slate and makes your rooms look bigger. Step 2, deep clean. A sparkling home gives a great first impression. Pay attention to windows, floors, and even those hidden corners. Step 3, neutralize your space. Repaint bold walls with neutral colors. This helps buyers picture their own style in your home. Step 4, light it up. Open those curtains and let natural light flood in. Add lamps or update light fixtures to brighten up darker areas. Step 5, arrange furniture smartly. Create cozy conversation areas and make sure each room has a clear purpose. Step 6, add finishing touches. Think fresh flowers, stylish throw pillows, and simple artwork. Small details can make a big difference. And there you have it. With a little effort, you can stage your home like a pro and attract those buyers. Happy selling! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.